Hi there. Thank you for considering using CopyCat for your business. In this brief video, we will look at how we can copy our projects, collections, blogs, and more from one store to another in just a few minutes. Before continuing, ensure you have installed the CopyCat application on both stores. You can now choose a type for each of your stores. On the left, I have the store containing all my products, collections, etc. that I want to copy to my second store shown on the right. So I will click Source Store on my store on the left and Destination Store on the right. Once we've chosen our store types, we can continue connecting both stores. To do this, I will copy my unique store key from my origin store, and I'm going to paste the key into the text field on my destination store and click on Connect Store. I will choose the Continue to my dashboard option on my source store to continue with the setup process. Next, I will choose the Start New Duplication option. From there, I can configure which data I want to copy to my other store. In this example, I will choose the copy all pages, blogs, products, collections, and redirects. Finally, I will choose my destination store, which we connected to earlier, and click Start Duplication. Now we wait for the magic to happen and see how all our data is copied from one store to another. Depending on the number of objects that must be copied, it can take minutes, hours, or days. Once the process has been completed, all your data has been copied to your destination store. CopyCat makes the whole process extremely easy, saving you many hours. Again, thank you for considering CopyCat for your online business. If you have any questions, please let us know.